Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show a really simple way how you can set launch options for your games in Steam. So let's start. So what you want to do is like really pretty simple. You just want to go to library, and when you're in library, just click on whatever game you got, right click and click properties. And then you're gonna see like the set launch options straight away here. And now you just add here the option that you need to add, right? I don't know what kind of option you want to add there. It's really just up to you, but this is how you do it. So that's pretty much it. And yeah, if you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support and stuff like that. And yeah, so again, right click, properties, and launch options. FPS max 100, for example, or whatever. So have a great day and goodbye.